Welcome to my channel Luxury Car 001. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping hypercars ever created at the insane Lamborghini Revuelto GR 2026. Buckle up, because this beast is not just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. Let's begin with the design, because honestly, one glance and you know this isn't your average Lambo. The Revuelto GR 2026 takes aggressive styling to a whole new level. The front fascia is a mix of sharp lines, ultra-slim LED headlights, and active aerodynamic elements that adjust based on speed and driving mode. The body is sculpted for maximum performance, with carbon fiber everywhere, including the roof, diffuser, and the huge rear wing. The rear profile looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, with the full-width light strip, triple exhausts positioned in the center, and massive air vents for cooling the powerful engine. Under the hood, Lamborghini has packed a hybrid V12 monster. Yes, you heard it right. The Revuelto GR combines a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine with 3 electric motors. Together, they produce a mind-blowing 1,001 horsepower. That's enough to rocket this machine from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 2.5 seconds, and with the top speed well over 350 km per hour. This isn't just a supercar it's a hypercar that redefines the limits of road performance. But it's not just about raw power. Lamborghini has taken handling and precision to another level. The Revuelto GR features a new all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and an advanced torque vectoring system. Whether you're cornering on tight mountain roads or blazing down a racetrack, the Revuelto stays planted and controlled, giving the driver full confidence and an adrenaline rush like no other. Inside, the cabin feels like a futuristic fighter jet. The cockpit is driver-focused with the Y-shaped dashboard layout, 3 digital displays, and a center screen that can be swiped between driver and passenger. High-end materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leathers cover every inch. The seats are snug and race-ready, and the steering wheel is loaded with drive mode controls, giving you total command of the Revuelto's dynamic personality. What's even more impressive is Lamborghini's dedication to sustainability. This hybrid setup allows for limited all-electric driving, especially useful for cities with emission restrictions. So, even though the Revuelto GR is a fire-breathing beast, it has a cleaner conscience than its predecessors. Limited production numbers, bespoke customization options, and Lamborghini's signature exclusivity mean that the 2026 Revuelto GR will be a dream machine for collectors and supercar enthusiasts. Each unit will likely be built to order, with buyers selecting custom paint finishes, interior materials, and performance specs tailored to their style. So, what do you think of the insane Lamborghini Revuelto GR 2026? Would you take it to the track or just admire it in your garage? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this. And if you're new here, welcome to the Luxury Car 001 family, where performance meets passion.